The sun had just begun to rise when Ollie woke up with a big smile on his face. Today was a special day because he was going to visit his uncle's farm with his parents. Ollie had never spent a whole day on a real farm before, and he was very excited. After eating breakfast, the family packed some snacks, water bottles, and hats. Soon they started their journey. As they drove away from the busy city, Ollie looked out the window. He saw green fields, colorful flowers, and tall trees swaying in the gentle breeze. When they reached the farm, Uncle Ahmed welcomed them with a warm smile. "Welcome to the farm," he said. "Today, you'll learn how food is grown and how animals are cared for." Ollie looked around with amazement. There were cows, goats, chickens, ducks, horses, and even a friendly sheepdog named Max. The first stop was the chicken coop. "Would you like to collect some fresh eggs?" Uncle Ahmed asked. "Yes," Ollie answered happily. He carefully walked into the coop with a small basket. The hens clicked softly as Ollie gently picked up the eggs one by one. "Be careful," Uncle Ahmed reminded him. "Eggs are very delicate." Ollie smiled proudly as he carried the basket without breaking a single egg. Next, they visited the cows. Farmer Sarah showed Ollie how the cows were fed fresh grass and clean water. Every day, cows need good food and lots of care, she explained. Ollie gently patted one of the cows. "It feels so soft." He laughed. Then Farmer Sarah showed everyone how cows were milked using a machine. "So this is where milk comes from," Ollie said with surprise. Everyone laughed. After that, Uncle Ahmed took Ollie to the vegetable garden. Rows of tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers, onions, and pumpkins stretched across the field. "Today, you'll help harvest some vegetables," Uncle Ahmed said. Ollie carefully pulled carrots from the ground. He washed them with fresh water and placed them in a basket. "It feels like a treasure hunt," he said excitedly. Soon the baskets were full of fresh vegetables. Near the garden was a fruit orchard, apple trees, mango trees, and orange trees were filled with delicious fruit. Ollie picked a ripe apple and asked, "May I eat it?" "Of course, Uncle." Ahmed smiled. "Just wash it first." Ollie washed the apple and took a big bite. "It tastes much sweeter than the ones from the supermarket." "That's because it's fresh," Uncle Ahmed explained. Around noon, everyone gathered under a large shady tree for lunch. They enjoyed homemade bread, fresh vegetables, cheese, milk, juicy fruit from the farm. Ollie had never enjoyed such a simple meal. so much. After lunch, Uncle Ahmed invited Ali to help feed the animals. Ali carried buckets of food for the chickens and goats. The goats happily followed him. They're so funny. Ali laughed. Max, the sheepdog, barked playfully and ran around the field. Ali threw a small ball, and Max quickly brought it back. What a smart dog, Ali said. Later, Uncle Ahmed showed Ali the tractor. This machine helps farmers plow the fields and plant crops, he explained. Ali climbed into the driver's seat. While the tractor stood still, it feels like driving a giant machine, he said. Uncle Ahmed carefully drove the tractor around the field while Ali watched with excitement. Next, they walked to a small pond where ducks were swimming peacefully. Ali tossed a few grains into the water. The ducks quickly swam toward him, quacking happily. Nearby, colorful butterflies flew from flower to flower, and busy bees collected nectar. Every creature has an important job, Uncle Ahmed explained. The bees help flowers grow into fruits. Ali watched carefully and realized how everything in nature worked together. As the afternoon continued, dark clouds appeared in the sky. A light rain began to fall. Instead of hiding, Uncle Ahmed smiled. This rain is good for the crops. The family stood under a shelter and watched the rain water the fields naturally. Soon a beautiful rainbow appeared across the sky. It looks magical, Ali whispered. When the rain stopped, everything looked fresh and clean. The birds began singing again. Before leaving, Uncle Ahmed gave Ali a small basket filled with fresh vegetables, eggs, and fruit. This is a gift for helping us today, he said. Thank you, Uncle, Ali replied happily. I learned so many new things. On the drive home, Ali looked out of the window once again. He thought about the hardworking farmers, the friendly animals, and the fresh food they had enjoyed.